Disassembly of the model 2000F. Using a 3mm Allen wrench, loosen the 4 nose screws and remove the nose cover. Using the 3mm Allen wrench, remove the 4 cap screws and set the cap and gasket aside. Remove the piston dry blade assembly by lifting it up and out of the return cylinder. Gently pry up on the white cylinder ring to loosen and remove. Remove the return cylinder by loosening and lifting it out of the nailer body. Remove the rubber bumper from the return cylinder. Remove the valve assembly and spring from the cap. You are now ready to inspect the components of the nailer.